Hi, it's me. I'm making the base for a tri-fold card that is intended to have a lot of interactive elements inside. So the edge of this card is going to be a little bit thicker. This is the right panel, and you'll see that there is about 1/4 of an inch of a binding edge, if that's what you want to call it, that makes this card a little bit wider, like a book. So when you glue these two panels together, make sure you use a sturdy adhesive or a strong adhesive because it will be open and shed a lot. I like to call these pieces the outer outline of the decor. It's basically the outline that goes around the pretty paper and just covers a little bit more of the edge and adds a tiny touch of an outline. This is the main piece of decor, and for this one I am embossing 3 pieces of it in this beautiful hibiscus embossing folder. And there's a reason for it. It's because several of my elements have embossing. So this is the latch. Glue the magnet down onto the latch, and we're going to let the glue set while we work on other pieces of the card. I added a piece of tape here because the glue wasn't quite set yet as I was testing out the magnet. So now we're going to cover up that magnet with the pretty piece of paper, and we're also going to cover up the edges or the panels. Now when you set the magnet down to test it out, score where it falls, the first fold is, and then 3/4 of an inch away from that, score again, and now you can fold it. Here I am rounding out the edges. I made a mistake by not removing the tape and also not doing it before I glued down the magnet. So don't make that same mistake. All right, now here's your card, ready for all the elements.